Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to connect a MySQL database to a Java program using the Eclipse IDE. First, open the Eclipse IDE on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top menu and click on File. Then select New and choose Java Project. You'll be asked to give your project a name. Let's call it My Project. After entering the name, click on Finish to create the project. Now, in the left panel under the SERC folder of your new project, right-click and select New. Then click on Class. For the class name, type JDBC1. Then click on Finish. Inside your new class, you'll see the main method already created for you. This is where we'll write the code to connect to the MySQL database. The first thing we need to do is load the JDBC driver. To do that, write the following line inside the main method. Public static void main, string args, throws class not found exception iClass.forName, com.mysql.cj.jdbc.driver. This line tells Java to use the MySQL driver class. It might throw an error, so you'll need to add a throws declaration to the main method. Change the method line like this. This will handle any exceptions related to missing classes or SQL issues. Next, we need to create the actual connection to the database. We'll use the driver manager.getConnection method for this. Here's how the code looks. Connection con =sign driver manager.getConnection, JDBC MySQL, /localhost 3306 your database name, root. Replace your database name with the actual name of your MySQL database. In most cases, if you're working locally, the username and password will both be root. You'll also need to import the connection class from the java.sql package. Just hover over the word connection and choose the import option Eclipse shows you. Once the connection is made, let's add a quick line to confirm everything is working. System.out.println, connection successful. Now save the file using Ctrl+S. To run the program, right-click anywhere inside the class, go to Run As, and then click on Java Application. If your console shows connection successful, then your setup is correct. But if you get an error like class not found exception, that means the MySQL JDBC driver is missing from your project. To fix this, go to the MySQL official website and download the MySQL Connector J. Look for the platform-independent version and download the zip archive. Once it's downloaded, extract the folder. Now, back in Eclipse, right-click on your project name and select Build Path, then choose Configure Build Path. In the window that opens, go to the Libraries tab and click Add External Jars. Find the folder where you extracted the MySQL connector and choose the mysql-connector-java.jar file inside it. Click Apply and Close. Now that the driver is added, try running your program again. This time, you should see connection successful printed in the console. And that's it. You've now connected a MySQL database to a Java program using Eclipse.